Start by researching different cartoon animation styles to find inspiration. Explore classic cartoons, modern animations, and unique art styles that catch your eye. Collect references that resonate with your vision for the animation. Define the concept for your cartoon animation. Outline the story or message you want to convey. Create character profiles, detailing their personalities, backgrounds, and appearance to ensure they fit well into the story. Select an AI animation tool that suits your needs. There are various platforms available, each offering different features. Consider tools like Toonly, Animaker, or advanced AI tools like Runway or DeepMotion. Begin designing your characters using the AI tool. Customize their appearance, expressions, and movements. Make sure they reflect the personalities you developed in the concept stage and are visually appealing. Create a storyboard to visualize your cartoon. This step is crucial for planning your scenes, transitions, and character interactions. Sketch out each scene or use digital tools to lay out the animation flow. Set the background and environment for your scenes. Choose colors and designs that complement your characters and enhance the storytelling. Ensure the backgrounds are engaging but not distracting. Animate your characters using the selected AI tool. Focus on key movements and expressions that bring your characters to life. Use different animation techniques to add dynamism and appeal. Incorporate audio elements like voiceovers, sound effects, and background music. Choose or create sounds that match the tone and enhance the atmosphere of your cartoon animation. Review and refine your animation. Watch through the entire video multiple times to catch errors or areas for improvement. Make necessary edits to improve the flow and coherence of the animation. Export your final animation in the desired format. Make sure to choose the appropriate quality settings based on where you plan to share your animation, whether online or for presentations. Share your completed cartoon animation with your audience. Use social media platforms, video sharing sites, or even local screenings to showcase your creativity and reach viewers. Gather feedback from your audience after sharing your cartoon. Engage with comments and suggestions, as this can provide valuable insights for your future animation projects. Continue to learn and improve your skills in cartoon animation. Explore new techniques, tools, and styles to enhance your abilities and keep your creativity flowing.